guys! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Kamusta naman kayo? So, it's Thursday. So, 4 consecutive days na tayo na magkakasama ng umaga. So, I'm really happy guys na nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon na makapag-content. So, if you will be asking me, ano ba ginagawa ko in the morning? Nag-aalarm po ako normally alas 6 ng umaga kasi gusto ko nagigising ako na maaga. Tapos morning pa lang, nagbabasa na akong Bible kasi mas fresh yung utak ko. Mas na-absorb ko talaga lahat ng mga verses and I'm the type of person kasi na morning person ako. Pag gabi na, pag dumidilim na, medyo nag-shut off na yung utak ko. Pero pag morning, sobrang alive na alive yung utak ko. So, update lang tayo from our trades yesterday. Sobrang paldong-paldo tayo yesterday. And congratulations sa mga nakasabay sa signal sa atin. So, kung isa ka doon, comment ka dyan. I'd love to see your profit and I really wanted to celebrate it with you guys. So, check natin yung profit natin from yesterday. So, tomorrow was August 6. Look natin siya, August 6. Ayan. So, we were able to generate $434. Kung mapapansin nyo, puro pula yan. Ayan, mga pula na yan. Yung SL hit na yan. Hindi po yan SL hit talaga. Positive po siya. It's just that, na-hit niya po yung trailing stop natin. Kasi po ang ginagawa ko normally, kapag positive na yung trades ko, to omit the risk na mag-reverse yung market and then hindi ko pa makuha yung profit, tinataas ko na yung stop loss ko. At least naka-trail na siya. Just to secure the profit. But however, ayan, marami tayong mga na-hit na mga naka-trail. Pero we were able to generate $434 yesterday. It's actually beyond my trading plan. But I'm just really happy na we're able to generate yesterday 23,000 pesos. Napakalaking bagay na nun. And yung 15K kasi ginamit ko to buy phone for my another trading phone. And I like it. It's super cute. Meron palang ganitong iPhone na ang liit niya. iPhone mini siya pero super liit niya, super cute niya. Ang sarap niya ipang trade, guys. Anyway guys, mag-drink na muna tayo. So later na lang ulit. Guys, halika tayo. Mag-drink na muna tayo. Later na lang. So, ayan guys, we're done. And nandito na naman tayo sa ating pwesto. Favorite na pwesto ko. Ayan, kasi sobrang ganda ng view dito, guys. Ayan. Sobrang sarap mag-meditation dito. Diba? Na-feel mo yung hangin, ang tahimik, alam mo yun. But anyway, so hindi ko na ma-access yung OKX sa web browser. Doon na-access ko pa rin yung OKX sa phone ko, which is sa app. Nag-withdraw lang ako ng half, pero hindi ko naman totally tinanggal lahat. Kasi sayang naman yung BTC ko doon, di ba? Nabili ko pa ng mababang presyo, tapos tatanggalin ko lang. Ma-access pa rin naman yun through VPN. Ang di ko ma-access is yung kay Hergy. Pero sana magawa ng paraan. But anyway, ayun. Ang sarap-sarap mong mahalin Pilipinas. Imbes na bigyan natin ng awareness, ng education yung mga Pilipino, mas ginagawa pa nating samantalang pag nag-YouTube ako guys, syempre pag nag-jogging ako, panonorin ko si Boss Sanchez. Kasi pag nag-jogging ako, ang ginagawa ko, nanonood ako ng mga full tank ni Boss Sanchez. So, kayo guys, kung say for example, mag-jogging kayo, tapos sobrang idle lang naman, might as well, kesa nag-wonder yung utak nyo during nag-jogging kayo, panoorin nyo yung mga full tank ni Boss Sanchez. Tigpa 5 minutes lang yung sobrang worth it, sobrang ganda. 10 taon ko na pinapanood yun, and ever since talaga na pinapanood ko yun, sobrang ganda ng araw ko. Like before, nagtatrabaho pa ako sa bangko. Yung biyahe ko papunta sa work ko pa Makati, like it always takes me like parang mga 2 hours papunta sa Makati from Marikina. Ang ginagawa ko is nagpo-play lang ako sa car ko ng mga videos ng full tank ni Boss Sanchez. Kaya sobrang, nung time na na-meet ko siya, sobrang starstruck ako. So parang alam mo, pinapanood lang kita noon. Parang gano'n. So, I'm also part of TRC, by the way. Truly Rich Club. And sobrang hindi nga na siguro alam kung paano nga na-impact yung buhay ko. Kaya guys, okay lang na magkaroon kayo ng mga virtual mentors. Hindi kailangan na makilala kayo ng mga virtual mentors nyo na yon. Pero if meron kayo online na mga napapanood na nakakatulong sa inyo financially, emotionally, spiritually, yung overall well-being nyo mas nagbo-boost. Kahit hindi kayo kilala ng mentor na yon, mapa-author yon, vlogger, podcast, spend time with them through kahit virtual lang. Kasi sa totoo lang, malaki yung mababago sa buhay nyo. And si Boss Sanchez has been my virtual mentor. He doesn't know me. I don't know if he still remembers me. but it's very crucial that you guys allow yourself to be mentored by people. I remember back then, tatrabaho ko noon sa RCBC, nag-work noon. Ang work ko noon was SCRO, Senior Customer Relationship Officer. Pero acting branch manager na ako noon. And every time papasok ako sa work, ang ginagawa ko, papakinggan ko lang si Boss Sanchez. And then, kung ano yung shinare doon ni Boss Sanchez sa full tank niya, isi-share ko doon sa mga ka-office mate ko. So, parang nagiging preacher ako every morning doon sa office. Kasi, mas mabilis ko na-absorb yung tinuturo ni Boss Sanchez online kapag pinipreach ko siya sa paligid ko sa mga kasama ko. Kaya siguro sobrang parang ganito ako, kahit sa TikTok, whatever na naririnig ko din, sinishare ko agad online. Kasi ever since, wala pa akong TikTok, ganito na talaga ako. Lagi ko sinishare ko ano yung mga na-absorb ko, natututunan ko, lalo na kapag sobrang worth sharing. And then, yesterday, I had a meeting with the Josh. And normally, kapag nagkakaroon kami ng meeting, is we started with gratitude. Yan. So, share na muna namin yung something that we are thankful for that specific week. Alam nyo yung share ko. Sobrang happy ko. I'm just really grateful na I am being criticized right now. I am being bashed. I'm being hated. Most especially sa trading community. And I acknowledge the hate. I acknowledge the criticism. It gives me room for improvement to even enhance, i-hone ko pa yung sarili ko sa industriya na to. I'm not perfect. Marami akong mga failed attempts. Marami akong sunog. Marami akong pagkakamali sa trading. Like, I believe na halos lahat naman ng mga traders dumaan sa ganun. I never met even a single trader na profitable agad. Una pa lang. So, I once was there. And I'm just really grateful na right now I'm being criticized. Kasi it gave me more space to seek God even more. Honestly, this is that time that I felt God even more. During the time that I'm being anxious, I'm being attacked, I'm being pulled down. Like, I feel like everyone hates me. But this is the exact time I really felt God's presence in my life, that He's really working in my life, that He has been talking to me. And it just feels nice na, alam mo yun, yung heart mo is so anchored with God, na to the point, sobrang you're at peace, despite na you're being bashed, despite you're being attacked, na mas ramdam ko yung presensya ni Lord. Kaya sometimes guys, the reason why God allows yung mga ganitong bagay na hindi maganda sa pakiramdam natin is because God wants us to seek Him. So we will be able to feel His presence even more. Kasi when things are going so well, na parang sobrang successful, money is coming, everything's going right, everything's going according to your plan, parang sometimes nakakalimutan natin si Lord. So the only way na nakakapagparamdam si Lord sa atin is when we feel very sad, we feel struggling. Kaya nga diba, pag nagpe-prayer and fasting tayo, we intentionally crave ourselves to death. So we will be able to hear His words. Kasi yung spiritual antenna natin mas nako-connect sa Kanya, diba? But ayun, I'm just really grateful. And thank you sa lahat ng mga nang-criticize sa akin. I commit and promise to become better. And I hope you guys will live a peaceful life. Kasi guys, whatever you post online is just actually a reflection of your heart, a reflection of your mind. If you kept posting, if you kept commenting hate, yung nasa puso mo at nasa isip mo, puro hate din. Kaya for those people who kept hating online, I just really pray na you will find peace, happiness, and joy in your heart. So for our Thursday, yun lang guys. Meron tayong high impact news tonight, which is unemployment claims. And merong forecast na aakyat daw yung mga claims. Meaning, mas marami ang walang trabaho. That's why nag-claim sila. That means that's bad for US dollar and good for gold. So if you have been trading gold, and if you're gonna be looking at the daily time frame, makikita mo na it's about to reach the resistance, a very, very strong resistance. And I'm not sure, but I hope na magkaroon na ng breakout and umakyat na ng tuloy-tuloy. So ayun lang guys, and have a great day ahead. And good luck sa mga trades natin later. Good morning!